Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach to a brick wall. First, assess your brick and mortar to determine the best approach. You will need a hammer drill, suitable masonry bits, and safety gear like eye protection and gloves. Selecting the right fastener, such as an expansion anchor or a concrete screw, is crucial for a secure hold. Proper preparation ensures a strong and lasting attachment for your items. Once prepared, mark your drilling spots with precision. Use a hammer drill set to its hammer function, fitted with a masonry bit that matches the diameter of your chosen fastener. Drill straight into the brick, aiming to avoid the softer mortar joints whenever possible. This technique helps create a more stable and durable anchor point for whatever you are attaching to the wall. Choosing the correct fastener is key. For heavy items, expansion anchors are ideal, providing a strong hold once expanded within the brick. Concrete screws, on the other hand, are simpler to install for lighter to medium loads, as they tap directly into the drilled hole. For the strongest, most permanent bond, especially in critical applications, consider using chemical anchors. After drilling, it is vital to clean all dust and debris from the holes. A brush and vacuum work well. Insert your chosen fastener, ensuring it is fully seated and tightened to achieve its maximum holding capacity. Before placing the full weight on your new attachment, always perform a stability test. This ensures everything is secure and ready to safely support your item on the brick wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.